What's up, everyone? I am back with another tutorial. I am really feeling this orange lip gloss from MAC called Rambunctious, and I had to figure out how to incorporate it into a look for you all. So that's what we have going on. So just sit back, relax, and let's get into it. First, we are going to start off with Saddle, one of my all-time favorite transition shades. This eyeshadow is from MAC. That palette, I customized it, and believe it or not, it's not like super expensive to create your own palette. I did it a little bit at a time. I didn't buy like all 15 of those shadows at once, but an option to consider if you really like MAC eyeshadows but you haven't found a palette that you love, customize it. Next, I'm going to go in with Devil. It is a blush from MAC. I'm just going to build up my crease color until it is the orange that I am going for in this look. Next, we are going to go in with Chrome Yellow. And I kind of messed up on this part, which is why you kind of see me going in after the fact. Sometimes you just change directions. You change directions in the middle of a look, and that's what happened here. But the end result is fabulous, so I'm glad that I went in the different direction. But just blend that in really well. Because you didn't add it first, you want to just make sure that you make sure all the colors are super seamless. But if you watch YouTube videos like I usually do, and you do it step by step, just do the yellow before you do the brown. That's what makes sense. And then next, I decided to go in with Red Brick from MAC. It's another orange color. It is literally orange. Not sure where they got the name Red Brick from, but it's an orange color. And I just went back over the orange that I already did with the color Devil to make it a little bit more intense. Next, I'm going to use the color Embark. It's a really pretty deep chocolate brown. I'm going to use that on the outer corner of my eye. You want to try to keep it in like a V shape, and just blend as you go. Do a little bit at a time and blend as you go. By the way, did I mention that I went blonde now? So I did that by myself. I'm actually really proud of it. I love the way it came out. I wanted to go lighter, like ash blonde, but this is how it came out. So I'm gonna keep it like this for a little while, and then when I get some more hair, I'm gonna retry the whole blonde thing, because now I'm addicted to coloring hair. That's basically what happens. You get on YouTube, you learn something, you're a professional, boom, there you have it. And I have a backdrop now. I'll tell you guys about that later, but like I'm just off to a great start. I'm super pleased with it, but I digress. Continue to blend out that crease area, make sure everything is seamless, and then next you're going to cut your crease. Then I'm going to switch over to the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. Love that company. If you have not tried her eyeshadows, what are you doing with your life? They are amazing. No colors have ever been repeated. I have at least 5 palettes and I have not seen a repeated color. But anyways, that color on my lid is called Nana. I have really just been loving Trophy Wife for everything as of lately. So that's what I put on my eyelids. And I love the way that it turned out. Next, we're going to prime our face with the Smashbox. It's the original primer. I'll put the name in the description bar, my bad. And the NARS Poor and Shine Control Primer. I will put the name in the description bar. I cannot remember what it is right now. And then I really do use like that many Black Opal foundation sticks. I mixed 4 of them. I'll put the names in the description bar. But I can't remember. I just know there's no like shade that fits me just the way I like. So I just blended one day until I found something that I'm really comfortable with. Today, I'm gonna switch it up on you guys, and we are using the LA Girl Cosmetics concealers in medium beige and toffee. I've had these for a while. I stopped using them for no real reason. I just did, so I brought them out today. So after I set my face, I went in with the Mineralize foundation, loose powder foundation from MAC in the color Dark. And then I used Film Noir from MAC to contour my face, and I used Swiss Chocolate also from MAC to contour my nose. And then I used Oh Darling to highlight my face, but let's talk about this MAC Fix Plus hack. I love Fix Plus. It is like Photoshop in a bottle. It's amazing. If you have never tried Fix Plus, try it. Add it to your kit. Add it to your daily face routine. Just try it. I really love it. And then I added a little bit of blush. This is Apricot Lumiere from the Sephora Collection. And this lip gloss is called Rambunctious. It is from MAC. I've really just been feeling this orange. It just makes my lips look so juicy. I really like it though. And then I layered on the Trophy Wife. I feel like Trophy Wife can really do no wrong. It's amazing. I layered it on. So there you have it, ladies and gents. That is the final look. I really love the way that it came out. So until next time, please don't forget to like and leave your requests in the comments. I read them all. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you next time.